and welcome to this day in my life vlog. It's 6 a.m. right now, but the sun rises at 6:40, I think, so it's still dark outside. But my day starts at 6, so we're gonna start it together. I'm just right now and waiting for the sun to come out soon enough. But over, the sun must be rising somewhere. It's time for me to go for my swim. Okay, let's go. Just gonna grab my swimming bag, which already has all my toiletries and my towel, and be off for a swim. And I'm now walking to Bhavesh Bhai's for some iced tea before going to my room and getting ready for class. But yeah, that's the plan for today, or plan for right now. Basically, I have to have some tea and some, I don't know, food to nourish myself, and then run to my room, get ready and go to class. I have to go to class early today. Several reasons. One, because I have plans about how I want this day in my life to look, and also because we have a presentation today with my study group, so we sort of need to meet once before the presentation to discuss. And yeah,
never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do.
the people are telling stories too. And what we see with Hitler, or this man who conducted an entire photo shoot in these beautiful frames, he had one single purpose with all the stories that he wanted to tell. He created an image which was fueled by artificial propaganda and stories that not only he told, but that others told of him, and that is the kind of story that began to sell everywhere. He built Germany and the idea of Germany up into such a frenzy that anyone who did also say the same thing that he was saying would end up feeling ashamed that, hey, look at everyone else, look at Hitler. He's so proud of the kind of Germany he's building. How can we not believe in the same Germany? These are just some of the calls that he made to banks, but he also used master frames to the ambiguity in his sentences. He spoke about last line. Yeah. So the last line I was going to use is that he spoke about how there are two things that unite men: common ideals and common criminality. And it was left to the Germans to decide which ones they would take. If you ask me, I think it was common criminality, but I'm sure they thought it was common ideals. So my plans for today didn't really materialize. I mean, plans for the morning didn't really materialize because I met a friend of mine at Bhavesh Bhai while I was having tea. And obviously I started chatting, because of which I got a little late for class. As in, not late for class, but late considering the plans that I had for this morning. You know, I had to shoot some time-lapse videos for the day in my life. I had to meet my study group for the project discussion. Basically,
I was running slightly late, so I couldn't get ready and go to class, as in I couldn't do my makeup and go to class today. I mean, which is fine. On most days I don't do my makeup, but because this is a day in my life video and because I actually have lunch plans today, I thought I'd just sit down and do my makeup. So yeah, I'm quickly going to do my makeup now, and then I'm going to go grab breakfast before it gets over, and go to the library, finish some of my assignments and pre-reads for the week. And yeah, I think that's all I have to do till I have lunch. I'm meeting a professor of mine for lunch today, which is fun, and I'll show you some shots of that as well as we go along this day in my life. Yeah, cool. Okay, I don't know how to end this. Reason my makeup was just not makeuping today. My blush broke, which now I can't fix. Which because I need alcohol to fix it, and where am I going to get alcohol in a dry state? And then my eyes started watering, so I had these rivulets of black running down my face. I got mascara all over my eyelids. Basically, it was a big irritating time getting ready, but and it happened to be today when I'm supposed to be shooting this video, and I don't know, it's just whatever. Moving on. It's now 10:30, which means that the time for breakfast is over, so I guess I'm gonna have to skip breakfast, which I don't think I mind so much because I had that very heavy tea at tea post after class, which has kept me quite full actually. And I guess I'll just pick up some more tea on my way to the library and study what I have to do my pre-reads, and then I have to go have lunch with prof anyway, so it'll give me a big appetite, so I guess I'm skipping breakfast for today. But on a usual day, this is to let you know that I would eat breakfast, which is mostly cornflakes and milk in the mess. Today's not one of those days, so yeah, I'm just going to do something about my wild hair and leave for the library. Let's go. I'm just going to the library right now. I've got my laptop bag, which has my laptop and my iPad inside it. So yeah, I am better lighting. Yeah. Today basically is a light, chill day for me because sorry, I have to press the button. Yeah, so basically it's a chill day for me because I only have one class today. Usually I have 6 classes a day, but on the beginning of the week, for some reason, I just have one class for the day, which allows me to like finish my pre-reads for the rest of the week, because trust me, it gets very hectic when you have back-to-back classes. You don't have time to read your cases or anything else. So I'm just finishing up my readings right now, so that I don't have too much pressure in the rest of the week. So that's what the plan is. I will see you in the library. Hi guys, so I just finished my assignments for today. basically on the days that I am slightly more free, or like the lighter days of the week, I try to front load all my work and finish off things that are pending for the upcoming week, because the way I've made my timetable, the first half of my week is relatively light, but the second half of the week gets really hectic with 6 classes a day, and I don't have any time to do pre-reads or assignments actually. um there was there was one there were 2 days when I actually had 9 classes a day, but that was a rare occurrence. It was because one professor was taking extra classes and we had classes till 11:30 p.m. in the night. But other than that, I think the max number of classes we can have is 7. I have 6 of those for half the week, and for the rest of the half of the week, which is this half, I'm slightly more chill. So yeah, I did 2 of the pending to-do list items for me, the assignments that I had, one of which was like an 8,000 word learning journal for one of my professors, and another was my part of a group project report, both of which I have now finished. And I'm just taking a look, the reason I'm looking away is that I'm taking a look at my calendars and my to-do lists to make sure I don't have any readings left to do for the upcoming week. I can't turn the camera around, so I guess I'll just physically move it. But yeah, this is, so we have my monthly calendar open. We also have my weekly calendar open here so that I know what is coming up, and I have my trusty to-do list diary also with me. I basically maintain a diary where I write what my classes are on a particular day and what the readings for those particular classes are, and if I have any assignments for them. So as you can see, this basically helps me stay focused and keeps me on track with the bajillion things that I need to do as an MBA student. And yeah, since all items on this to-do list have been crossed off for the rest of the week, I can actually unplug and take a break now. I guess I'll just go to Bhavesh for some tea, coffee or something. I've changed my outfit and refreshed my makeup slash redone it a little bit because I have to go for a friend's birthday party slash GPL. If you're in an IIT or in an engineering school, you know what GPL is, but that tradition has sort of seeped into MBA life as well, and we do it for everyone's birthday. I mean, all the boys' birthday here on campus. I have never been more grateful for being a girl than I am when I realized that the torture that the boys are put through on their birthdays anyway. So I'm just wearing this green square neck top thingy and going for that. Yeah, it's 11:55 and the dorm is right next door, so I'm not too stressed about being late, but I'll show you a little, like a couple of clips from that so that you see what birthday celebrations are like on campus for us. Okay, bye.
God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear जब तक नहीं पूछता तब तक हाँ अपने आप भाई
Exhausted, and it is now 1 o'clock, so I obviously need some dinner, which is what I'm getting. Clearly my brain has stopped working, which is what I'm going to get now. I'm going to Bhavesh Bhai for dinner. So yeah, we'll go grab my dinner, eat that, and I think I'm finally ready for this so-called free day in my life to end. As you can clearly see, there's nothing called a free day in an IIMA student's life. It's always hectic. Okay, let's go. Food. It's been a long day, even though it was a free-ish day in my life. But yeah, it's quite late and it's time I take the makeup off of my face, wash my face, do some skincare, and finally go to sleep. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna put you all on time lapse and you can see me do that.